Alright YouTubers, I'm going to do a product review here on the trunk of my car, which is something I never do. I try to keep my vehicles good. But this is the Ascher rechargeable LED bike light. This is the, I'll put the specifics in it, but this is the better one. About 25, 26 bucks. And what you get with it is this is the brake. And it's got these, much like my bike rack, these little plastic stretchy rubber things to mount them, and this is the one for the light. And then all it has is this little slide where it slides in, and then you mount it on the bike. All right, so I'm going to mount these on the bike, and then when it gets dark I'm going to show you how bright they are. I think so far pretty good. And what's kind of cool about the light, with it being able to slide in and out, you can use it, you know, as a flashlight, like if you're walking around, and you can hold it in your hand, you know. But we'll show all the modes and how it works once it gets dark. And the part I liked about it, these are USB rechargeable. You get a USB charger for each, the tail light and the headlight. So I'll make sure they're charged so that we get full power when we do the night check. On the back of it is where the USB port is. Just that little rubber seal. And these are supposed to do well in wet conditions. So if you're riding at night. And on the back of the, also have the cover for the charging port. So let's get these charged. Right, I'm going to put this stuff in the description, but I'm going to say it real quick. The tail light will work for 9.5 hours on full, for 16 hours on half, 10 hours on slow flash, and 11 hours on fast flash. The tail light has a 330 milliamp battery. So I'll turn it on. And I'm going to turn the lights out. So that's full. There's a button. There's half. Slow flash. Fast flash. And then off. Alright, now we'll turn the light on. Now we'll do the headlight. It is a 1800 milliamp lithium battery. It will work for 5 hours on full, 10 hours on half, 6.5 hours on slow flash, and 12 hours on fast flash. And they rate this at 300 lumens. All right, let me shut the light off. Then I'll have to try to find my way back to it. It is dark. That's full. Move this up a little bit. That's pretty bright. All right, full. Half. Slow flash. Fast flash. So overall, out of the box, I think it tests pretty well. Now this is a test in my dark garage. That light's pretty good for 25, 26 bucks. I bought it on Amazon. I'm not one of those that wants you to go to my channel and give me 5 cents for buying something. It's the Ascher bike light, the Ultra. I'll put it all in the description. If you want, go to Amazon, buy it on your own. I don't work for them. I don't want nothing from them. And so there you go. Hope you enjoyed. Hope it was a little bit useful. Stay safe, especially if you're out on your bike. Get on your bike, have a good time, and have a great and wonderful day staying safe.